dear children. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are starting with new chapter, Birds are Feathered Friends. In this chapter we will be learning about characteristics of birds, movement of wings and beak of birds. Dear children, we have always been fascinated with birds in nature as well as in cartoons. To name just a few, Donald Duck, Roadrunner, Woody Woodpecker, they were our favorite ones. First of all, we must know what are birds. Birds are living organisms which have feathers on their body. They have wings, they have backbone. Female bird lays eggs. Birds use their beaks and claws to do their day-to-day activities. First of all, we will start with characteristics of birds. There are 5 main characteristics. First is, birds have a streamlined body. That means broader in the middle and narrower at ends. When man thought of aeroplane, he got this idea by looking at birds. The next important characteristic is, birds have a very light body that is made up of hollow bones. This helps the birds to fly. The wings of the birds are attached to its body with the help of powerful muscles. These wings are covered with different types of feathers. There are 3 different types of feathers: flight feathers, which help them in flying; body feathers, which provide shape to their body; and down feathers, which keep their body warm. The last important characteristic is their tail. This tail helps the bird to change its direction while flying. Now let's know, how do birds move their wings? Birds flap their wings up and down while flying. There are 2 types of movements of the wings, upstroke and downstroke. When the bird moves its wings upward and backward, it is called upstroke. And when the wings move downward and forward, it is downstroke. Now we will learn about beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They eat with the help of their beaks. Not only eating, their beak also helps them to carry grass, twigs, etc. to make their nests. We will study about beak of different birds. To start with, first is parrot. A parrot has a strong curved beak to open nuts and seeds. A sparrow, pigeon and peacock, they have short beak to pick up and crush seeds. A duck has a broad, flat beak. It scoops the muddy water with it. The mud and water flow out through holes from the side. The little plants and insects, they remain in the beak of the duck, which the duck eats. Next comes is hummingbird. This is the smallest bird. Hummingbird beak is like a drinking straw. It sticks its long beak into the flower and sucks nectar. Eagles, owls and vultures kill small animals. That means they eat flesh. To eat flesh, they have strong, sharp, hooked beaks. A heron, it loves to eat fish. It has a long pointed beak like a spear. It pokes the fish with its beak and lifts it out of the water. A woodpecker, it taps the bark of the tree with its sharp pointed beak. It makes hole in the bark to pull out insects. Not only beak of the woodpecker, its tongue also helps to take out insects from the tree. Its beak is like a chisel. So dear children, today we have talked about characteristic of birds, how do birds move their wings, and different different kind of beak. That was all for today's class. Thank you.